China claims that foreign intelligence agencies are using animals, specifically marine animals such as turtles and fish, fitted with sensors to collect sensitive information in its surrounding waters. Beijing calls it an invisible secret war beneath the sea. As strategic competition intensifies across the world's oceans, China's allegations raise fresh questions about the evolving nature of covert operations. Aman Kumar Himanshu and Ayushi Ahuja explore the curious history of animal espionage.
In Dhurandhar, Ranveer Singh plays Hamza, a spy operating deep inside enemy territory, gathering secrets, evading surveillance and risking his life for his country. For centuries, that's what spies have looked like. But what if the next spy wasn't human at all, but a turtle or a fish? Sounds like science fiction, but that's exactly what China is warning about. Beijing claims that foreign intelligence agencies are using so-called spy turtles and spy fish to gather sensitive environmental and military information in Chinese waters. In a social media post, the Chinese Ministry of State Security described it as an invisible secret war around China's seas, raising concerns over key strategic zones, including the South China Sea, the East China Sea, and the Taiwan Strait. So what exactly is being alleged? The Ministry of State Security suggests that large marine animals are being fitted with advanced sensor equipment capable of collecting real-time environmental intelligence. These devices are reportedly designed to measure factors such as water temperature, salinity, and ocean currents. Once collected, the data is transmitted via satellite, potentially providing detailed insights into underwater conditions that could have both environmental and military significance. China frames this as part of a broader pattern of covert maritime surveillance, one that it describes as a silent, unseen conflict beneath the surface of the ocean. China has been raising such concerns. For instance, in 2024, it claimed to have detected underwater lighthouses on the seabed, allegedly designed to guide foreign submarines and monitor the acoustic signatures of Chinese naval vessels. China responded to such perceived threats by encouraging its fishing fleet to play a frontline role in maritime security, offering financial rewards for uncovering spying devices in its waters. Allegations of marine animals being used for military purposes are not new. While spy turtles may sound unbelievable, history shows that dolphins, pigeons, whales, cats, and even ravens have all found themselves caught up in the shadowy world of espionage. In 2023, British intelligence reported that Russia had deployed trained bottlenose dolphins at the Sevastopol naval base in the Black Sea to detect and counter enemy divers. Russia is also believed to use beluga whales and seals in Arctic waters for naval support operations. In 2019, a beluga whale nicknamed Hvaldimir, a name combining the Norwegian word of a whale, Hval, and the Russian President Vladimir Putin's first name, was found off the coast of Norway, wearing a Russian-marked harness. Initial speculation suggested that the whale may have escaped from a Russian military facility, but the Russian Defense Ministry denied running any sea mammal special operations program. The use of animals in espionage is a concept US spy agency CIA has explored for decades. Animals are seen as natural spies. They are ideal because they can access unrestricted areas and often go unnoticed by humans. The US Navy Marine Mammal Program trained bottlenose dolphins to detect underwater mines using biosonar, while sea lions have been used to locate enemy divers. During the 2003 Iraq War, dolphins helped clear more than 100 anti-ship mines from the port of Qasr to enable safe passage of warships. In 2015, Palestinian militant group Hamas claimed to have captured an Israeli spy dolphin equipped with cameras and a weapon capable of firing arrows. Similarly, Egypt once accused Israel's Mossad of using remote-controlled sharks to attack tourists in an attempt to harm the local economy. Birds have also played a role in intelligence history. During the First World War, pigeons were fitted with tiny cameras to capture reconnaissance images. Later, the CIA experimented with lightweight camera systems for pigeons during the Cold War, producing surprisingly detailed aerial intelligence. In the 1970s, under Project Axiolite, the CIA explored training ravens, hawks, and owls for covert missions, such as dropping listening devices near sensitive sites. One experimental Raven named Doda was even intended to fly deep into Soviet territory but disappeared during testing. The CIA also ran one of its most unusual experiments, the Acousticity project, between 1961 and 1967, where a cat was surgically modified with a microphone and transmitter in an attempt to eavesdrop on Soviet conversations. Even more extraordinary claims have emerged globally. Iran has reported cases of spy squirrels near nuclear facilities, and later claimed that reptiles such as lizards and chameleons could be used to detect nuclear activity. From birds and cats to dolphins and whales, history shows a strange and surprising pattern, that of animals repeatedly appearing at the edge of intelligence operations, which raises a deeper question. In an age of satellites, drones, artificial intelligence, and underwater robotics, why does the idea of animal espionage still resurface? And in this new wave of maritime tension, China now places growing emphasis on underwater security, repeatedly warning about alleged espionage activities in its surrounding areas. So is this truly a hidden battlefield beneath the waves? Or are we looking at a new kind of Cold War story, where fact, fear, and speculation all blur together in the deep ocean? This is the world of the unseen war beneath the sea. Aman Kumar Himanshu and Ayushi Ahuja for DD India.